people probably want to see your mum on these.
Oh, brilliant.
The most explosive vlog yet. Are you just eating gravy? Yeah, but I'm just too busy looking at your face. Wow. Vlogmas day 11. And you might be thinking, what is going on with the camera in? Lucy insisted that we film it now.
No, I didn't insist
Well,
you film it there.
Anyway, I'll put it over there. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah. I was trying to get a little Harper in the background though. Say hi. Nope.
The reindeer centre. Today we are off to, as the name would suggest, the reindeer centre in Bethesden to basically see Santa's reindeer and also Santa.
So strap yourselves in. This is going to be a roller coaster of emotions. This is going to be the most explosive vlog yet.
And by explosive,
We've got to get them cooked.
What on earth are they?
Got to get them. What are those?
Are those kangaroos?
Have we driven to Australia? Hold the line caller.
I've actually stopped the car for this. They're being going along slowly.
Are they wallabies?
I mean, either way, I'm just confused as to what they're doing in England.
Even way. Well, especially what they're doing in England. In the snow, I bet they're thinking, God, I had a great life in Australia. Where's it, Hops?
Guinea pigs and rabbits.
Oh.
Can you say hello, guineas?
Would you like to see this animal?
Say hi. Oh, wow, you're driving a tractor. The heating button.
You see a reindeer, Harper? He likes to snore that's not been trodden on.
You having fun, Paul?
Yeah.
Oh, it is nice and warm.
What's your name? Harper. Well done. Harper, how old are you? 2. Good girl. Well.
2, 3. Lovely. One more.
I have to keep that in the vlog because lots of people probably want to see your mum on these.
Oh, brilliant.
What is it? Like, it's fairy. Is it fairies?
It's elves. I think.
Elves, yeah, that makes more sense.
Do you want them to lift you up?
What is it?
Okay, to give the girls some food. Let Mummy show you how to do it. Give it a little nibble. Flat. Flat. Ready? And Mummy will put her hands underneath your hand, okay? So you can give them to the goat. Come here then. You did it.
Don't think you actually got any of that, I'll be honest.
So white animals, especially albino white animals, often have problems with their eyes. Okay, so we monitor that. So this guy, the vet took that eye out.
Hello.
Kind of thing.
What's Nanny doing? You go then. Reindeer and Santa experience done.
We're now off for a roast dinner,
No.
aka Daniel's dream.
Is that the menu?
Turkey's meat, thank you.
Oh, look at that. Happy? Oh, lovely, thank you. Oh, thank you.
And now.
Are you just eating gravy? Wow! Is it amazing?
Go on then.
Look at your footprints.
You know what I said?
Yeah, but I'm just too busy looking at your face.
I'm protecting my hair.
No, I can see that, yeah.
I don't know if you can see the state of this snow right now, of how snowy this road is.
I'm pretty sure they can see it. I'm pretty sure they can see it. Look at it.
We've got no other choice but to try and go in this to get home. Otherwise, we're stranded in basically the middle of nowhere.
You would give me.
Did you have the best day ever? Say, Vlogmas 11 completed it, mate. No. Just on my own with that. Okay, bye.